Hello YouTube, welcome to my channel. And today's video I'm going to show you the truck. I'm going to show you what we're going to be working on. I'm about to take the wheels off and start taking the suspension apart so you can see exactly what I'm working on. And I will walk you through the process a little bit, what I'm going to do. So here we go. Alright, so this is the truck. This is the truck I've been working on. It's 2010 Ford F-150, and what I will be doing is I'm gonna remove the stock upper control arm. That one right there is not that bad, okay? But I still need to go 2 inches higher, maybe 1.5 inches higher than what it is now. This is what I'm working on. It's a 2010 Ford F-150 Platinum. Okay, so like I mentioned, I need to bring this baby another 2 inches higher than what it is. By doing that, I need to remove those upper control arms, and I will be doing that either tomorrow or this weekend. I'm gonna replace those with the JBA Off-Road. See how that looks. Okay, that's it, man, right there. I will take this truck apart and I will let you guys know. I will keep you guys updated, see if the upper control arms work or not.